Nnamdi Kanu pledges 1 million naira from prison for any Nigerian law student who can find judicial precedents. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got to hear this morning. As our headline for this morning says here that Nnamdi Kanu pledges 1 million naira from prison for any Nigerian law student who can find judicial precedents. Well, Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has sparked controversy with the recent pledge of a 1 million naira reward for any Nigerian law student who can find judicial precedent on the say of execution of an accused person already discharged. The recent pledge by Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, to reward any Nigerian law student with 1 million naira for finding judicial precedent on a specific legal point, has sparked debate and scrutiny. Kanu's offer, while seemingly aimed at prompting legal research, carries significant potential undertone and raises questions about the impact on the Nigerian legal system. Kanu's challenge specifically seeks a judicial precedent where a Nigerian judge granted a stay of execution in a criminal proceeding, where the suspect or defendant had already been acquitted and discharged. This seemingly paradoxical scenario, where a person already deemed innocent faces a potential execution, is at the heart of Kanu's legal battle. The IPOB leader pledges follows a significant legal development. The appeal court decision in October 2022, granting a stay of execution to the Nigerian government, effectively put a temporary hold on the judgment that has acquitted Nnamdi Kanu and ordered his release. Well, this situation raises questions about the future of the case and the ongoing tension surrounding IPOB and its leader. The ruling by the appeal court carries significant weight. The judge's clear condemnation of the Nigerian government's inaction, labeling the rendition of Nnamdi Kanu as a gross violation of international law and fundamental human rights. It's a it's a powerful statement. Well, it sets a precedent and raises serious questions about the government's adherence to international legal standard. Going further, the findings by the appeal court strengthens the case against the Nigerian government. Their failure to convincingly refute the claim that Kanu was adopted from Kenya has brought back to Nigeria without proper extradition procedure. Further supports the argument that his rendition was illegal. This adds another layer of legal complexity to the case and reinforces the court's concern about the government's action. Well, Kanu's offer comes amid his own ongoing legal battle. He is facing charges of treason and terrorism in Nigeria, and his case has been a subject of intense public scrutiny. He has consistently maintained his innocence and has accused the Nigerian government of targeting him for political activism. And that was what I was said here concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that Nnamdi Kanu pledged 1 million naira from prison for any Nigerian law student who can find judicial precedents. And what of course, yes, of course, you ready for me this morning. And if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here, right now, is to tap that subscribe button with the notification bell so that anytime of any new video, you will be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Nnamdi Kanu must be released. Well, if you're a law student in Nigeria listening to me right now, 1 million naira could be yours if you can go all the way to Abuja, yes, and find judicial precedent in his case. Yes, in his case, because Nnamdi Kanu's case is a type of case that it is already clear, it is already open to everybody already that this man is innocent. What the Nigerian government are doing now at this point in time is not judging any case here. Yes, this is just me. If it's me, I call it that they're just trying to contain Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, they are just trying to contain Nnamdi Kanu, put him under their reach, because this is not proper. Even the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu said that, first of all, the extradition process that you guys extradited Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria, it is illegal. Because of the Nigerian government did not file any extradition process with Kenya. They did not meet with the Kenyan government. They didn't meet with the Kenyan military. They didn't do anything. They just sent men, illegally entered into Kenya and kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu and brought him back to Nigeria. That was what that was what the United Nations and the UK even told Nigeria that is bad. Because Nnamdi Kanu did not use a Nigerian passport to go to Kenya. He used his UK passport to go to Kenya. Thereby, he's a UK citizen in Kenya. And you guys went and kidnapped him. You guys went to kidnap him. And the Nigerian government they admitted that yes, that one is bad. I'm sorry. They gave Nnamdi Kanu money. Still yet, They cannot even go back to the ruling that happened in 2022. Yes, where the Supreme Court granted Nnamdi Kanu bail. That is why Nnamdi Kanu is offering 1 million naira for a law student. If you can come here and explain all this to the judge, because maybe a law student is even more smarter than the judge that we have here in this country. It is now clear that the federal government do not want to release him. No. Because to me, I see it as no matter how Nnamdi Kanu try to get more evidence to push to get his release, he want to get concrete evidence for his release. And no matter how he try to get closer to his release, the federal government will still say, no, we are not releasing you. So this one is not more legal battle anymore. This is not more legal battle. This is a homicide. If you ask me, yes. This is kidnapping. To me, I label this in Nnamdi Kanu's case as kidnapping because this is not a court case. The federal government know that they cannot convict him. You cannot convict someone that is not yet guilty, and they cannot say that Nnamdi Kanu is guilty because he's not guilty. Yes, they cannot say he's guilty because he's not guilty. That is why they are doing all what they are doing. I'm telling you that is why they are doing all what they are doing. Nnamdi Kanu even accused the federal government of using his case for politics, which of course is true. The Tinubu-led administration have been using Nnamdi Kanu's case for politics, saying that if I win election, I'll release Nnamdi Kanu. If I release, they're just using his name for politics, and it's not fair. Stop doing that. Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyer have said this countless times. Don't use Nnamdi Kanu's case for any politics, for any of your politics, your stupid politics game. There is no judiciary in this country. Anybody that will tell me that there's judiciary in this Nigeria, person is a freak and is lying. You see this country called Nigeria, there's no judiciary there. Nnamdi Kanu's case is an example of the saying that there ain't no judiciary in this country. That's why Nnamdi Kanu is bringing out 1 million naira. Someone should come and explain to these people what a judicial precedent means and how it should be. Yes. Because Nnamdi Kanu was granted innocent by the Supreme Court when they look at all his case. They found that this man is innocent. He didn't do any terrorism act. He never destroyed the Nigerian soil. Nothing. But still, yes, see what the federal government has said to him. Okay, what do you guys think? Let me drop your comment in the comment section and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button as we go on with notification bell so that anytime any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.